Now Bharat sir coming to the class with a formal shirt and sports shoes.
Especially Reebok shoe.
See na, formal shirt and formal sports shoes.
रबले बना दी जोड़ी के शाहरुख खान.
Very good looking kid. Coming to the class. Now is going to do elevator lecture. Okay, so laminate composite. So laminate is found here. This much I am left like okay. Then somebody asking question. Suppose Shamsher. Oh, sir, automatic computer sir. Now, sir is not getting the question, but as the sir is on the stage, so sir should say a show like that I am having monologue. Did I say that? Did I say that? Public just sitting at the bench saying, no sir, no, you didn't say. Sir, okay, one question. Question जैसे पता नहीं तो ये बोला कैसे did I say? Question. Okay. Then some sir, try to speak in some more complex form. How? Sir, suppose autonomic material is autonomic material is क्या? Autonomic material. How it could be possible? Maybe may not be. Not a perfect answer still. Okay. Suppose yesterday tragedy with the Maharaj sir. Okay. After the composite lecture, what happened? Sir is actually going to the cabin, but Pravishek want to shift the nano class from the nano. Hey guys, listen. Pravishek want to shift his nano class from afternoon to morning because there is too much hot outside. Now you know at the afternoon you can't walk. Okay. Then how he Pravishek how he reacts? See, Pravishek, sir, can we shift the nano class from afternoon to morning? No, he's saying sir class. Class? Which class? Sir, nano class. Nano? Hairstyle like that, sports shoes and all that. Imagine, huh? Nano class? Yes sir, nano class at 3:30. Oh, okay. So nano class. Why? Sir, it's very horrible to come, sir. It's very terrific to come.
Practice.
Because sir, there is sun outside. There is sun outside. सर ने मन में सोचा ये स्टूपिड ऐसी चूतिया बाद में प्रवीषक क्या बोलता सुनो प्रवीषक बोलता अबे टाइम शिफ्ट हो गया ऐसे बोलेगा तो कोई भी टाइम शिफ्ट करेगा
Sir, can I ask one question? Why sir always watch his this watch?
There is one problem in the match.
Problem.
That is again the gravity. See what happened actually. Whenever it goes back, when I will do like that. So what I did, giving you the lecture. And then I'm still asking you time. What is the time now? So it is nothing. Yeah, it's nothing.
One more.
Okay, ADG, hey you guys, you dynamic guy, you know vibration is the main subject. You know, vibration is the main subject and core subject of the design and dynamics. So how ADG sir will teach? How ADG sir will teach?
अबे वो पीछे
He's coming to the class. MX double dot plus TX dot plus TX equal to F cos omega t.
क्या बात है? अरे पढ़ रहा है.
Then he is not telling what is going on. Then thinking, this is the blackboard. Oh, this is the blackboard. Sorry. Then he is thinking like that. पूरा एक्सप्रेशन हो गया. Okay. Sir, but somebody asked to dare to ask sir. What is the step? What is the step, sir? There. See, apply simple Laplace. You can apply there. Okay, sir. Simple Laplace. You can apply.
क्या रहा है?
Sir. Pradhan sir.
First प्रधान सर.
And Ashok sir down.
अशोक सर डाउट.
Okay, Pradhan sir is coming to the class, and you know the FEM is the core subject for the design. So this is mainly dedicated to design students. So Pradhan sir is coming to the class at 10:30. 10:30 they are coming to the class. Up to going to desk, there will be time at 10:40. The 10 minutes is already gone. Now he is coming to the class. Pradhan sir. So today we will.
Share. Samshir is there na?
Oh yes, no, leave it. But what happened na? In Pradhan class, Mahadev will come. So Mahadev will come after 1/2 hour. Sir, I will ask, why you are late? Then he said, sir, actually my cycle is damaged. He said that. So actually my cycle is damaged. Okay, so
Mahadev.
2 days.
Okay.
I suggested, why is saying that my cycle is damaged? Why not puncture or something else, no problem? But then I asked him, Mahadev, why are you saying that cycle is damaged? बोले मैं बोला say puncture, बोले puncture in हिंदी word ना? मैं बोला
Okay, Ashok sir, out.
तो अभी प्रधान सर का चालू का मजा देखते चालू हुआ तो Pradhan sir is now going to starting the lecture. FEM, they are written by Hello method. Now, yesterday, today you read the newspaper? Student, no sir. There is one. No sir. So there is one nano car is getting blasted away. I already told that the nano class is a failed project. That is why I already told that the Tata is nothing. How the Tata is following me? How they follow me? How they reach me? I don't know. How they come to me? Maybe some IIT time, maybe some IIT value, or like that, all that. Okay. Now we should concentrate on our subject. So he draws some links, like links and joints. Okay. Then after that he will tell, you see the Howrah Bridge? That is like that. So Howrah Bridge, then we will do. Okay, you go to that Tilka Lake is there near to us. But some students are there. They will thinking that, yeah, he is teaching. What is teaching? For example, Ashok sir. Some students are there. But they are thinking, what is going to teach? Yeah? They are going to waste our time, not teaching us. So they in the middle they are, okay, the Chilka Lake. The Chilka Lake then is telling the story of Chilka Lake like that, all whatever. Then suddenly Ashok sir asked it out. Sir, suppose. Sir, suppose there is in a joint, suppose there is more food. I will come to that later. That is not our part of discussion. Our part is going on the Howrah Bridge and Chilka Lake. So that is not our part of discussion. So then Ashok sir suddenly shocked. He is not giving the answer to the question. He said, I will come to that later. When? What thing is going on? When he is going to give the answer? Then he will begin that discussion. Once time I met to the Einstein and all that, and some Timoshenko. I'm going to the bathroom and I saw that Timoshenko there. I saw it and I laughed about Timoshenko. I met to the Timoshenko. Please mention the toilet. I also went to the NASA. I also work for NASA and DRDO and Jhamjak, all that like that. Okay.
Jayan Reddy is good friend of mine.
Now Pradhan sir coming to the next lecture. Same thing, same strategy, same all that thing. Now he is asking to Ashok sir. So I think your doubt is clear now. That is, sir want to say that do not ask doubt to sir. That sir want to say, and that is the strategy of IIT professors.
Hey, best Kera.
I will do Kera sir acting, but that is not good to my personality.
जरा प्रकाश जाऊन कर मागे प्रकाश जाऊन कर
Okay? Still? I am not doing it. I am doing Kera acting only for Mahadev. Only dedicated to Mahadev. But one condition is there. He should sing some Rancid song. Kera, okay. Okay. What is the impedance of this fellow? Z2. Okay. What is the transfer function of Z2 by Z1?
कंट्रोल। ओके, थैंक यू। इतना तक मुझे